Hi guys, welcome to Tech Y2K. In this technical guide, I am going to show you how to check who is using your Wi-Fi. For this task, I am using Fing. Fing app is a free network scanner that makes you discover all connected devices to your network. First, go to the Play Store on your Android mobile. Then find the Fing app and install. Now the app is installing. Open the app. This is related to Fing privacy update. You have to click on the Agree and Continue. Now Fing is scanning your network. Now you can see who is connected to your Wi-Fi network. I hope this is helpful to you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.